Ansha. So it's December and this year I finally completed 12 books in 12 months. So today I'm going to share all the books I read this year. So let's start. So the first one is a very beautiful story. It's called Meet Me at the Cupcake Cafe. It's a sweet story about a girl and her dream of opening her own shop and everything that come in between her dreams. Now the next one is Inferno by Dan Brown. I hope I am pronouncing it right. It's a good thriller novel. If you like this kind of book, this is the best thing for you. Now the next one, I have talked about this earlier also. It's Ikigai. I have actually listened it as an audiobook. And if you are in a stage in your life where you are confused about what to do and where are you in your life, then you should definitely read this one. It's about Japanese secret of a healthy, happy and long life. Overall, you should read this. Even if you don't like non-fiction book, you should give this a try. After this, the next one is a light read. It's Shopaholic to the Stars. It's another classic Shopaholic books. Now the next one I have again listened as an audiobook. It's called Think and Grow Rich. It's a personal development book about how to get what you want and how to achieve your goals. Next one is a children's book. It's called Pee. It's a children's book about Pee and her little adventures. But I really like this one. After what's going on this year, you need a light read. Now the next one I know is a comic book, but it's still a book. It's Adventures of Tintin. It's really give me that nostalgia vibes. Now the next one, again I listened as an audiobook. It's called The Power of Subconscious Mind. It's about how powerful our subconscious is and how it can influence everything around us. Now the next one you have definitely heard about. It's called The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F. I will be honest, all the book I read this year, this is my least favorite one. It's a typical self-help book and I just didn't like it. So moving on. The next one is The Orange Hangover. This novel is basically a smart and humor kind of story about a boy who don't know what to do with his life and end up doing something different. And the last audiobook for this year is Key to Success by Napoleon Hill. It's about 17 principles of success. You must have heard about all this, but this book explained it in a very detailed manner. And now the last book for this year. So I have purchased it in January. Then I saved it for the entire year so that I can read this during this time because it's called Calling Mrs. Christmas. I am reading this right now. I am in the middle of it. Calling Miss Christmas is a Christmas fiction. It's the best thing to read this time of the year. It's about a girl who has been out of work for some time and she began to charge people for doing Christmas errands like wrapping presents and stuff. So yeah guys, I think I have completed 12 books. So this is all for this video. Don't forget to like this video. It really motivates me and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you next Friday. Till then, take care. Be happy. Bye.